Hey, welcome to Corbellic Studios. I'm Corbellic. Today we're going to be painting marshland impressionism landscape. That's also going to be a sunset in the background, beautiful skies. We're going to be bringing in the purple. We're going to be bringing in the blues. We're going to be bringing in that orange. I love doing paintings like this, and these sell well all the time on eBay. It doesn't matter the season. It doesn't matter the time. Landscapes do well. They're really good lottery tickets to put out there in your day. So you do one of these paintings, and then you do something else of like a funky portrait, and then you do something of a race car, and you got a great auction day. It's always about variations. Change it up, change your color, change your themes up. Let audience get a chance to buy your stuff. You're not going to be able to know who your audience is if you're not making mistakes. Make mistakes and just have fun creating the paintings and get on to the next one. I mean, when I'm in my high production mode, I don't even think about how many numbers that I'm doing. Once you start thinking about numbers, then you're going to get bored, but you're also going to be counting the numbers where you're like, am I done yet? Am I done yet? At least that's for me. If I'm thinking about how many paintings that I need to do for the day, I'm going to be like, am I done yet? Did I hit my numbers? I'm going to be thinking about that instead of thinking about the art. Instead, what I think about is the time. I'm doing my 90-minute blocks, then on to the next. That's all that matters. We show up, anything else we can't control. All right, so let's get started with this painting right now. And boom. All right, this is our marshlands right here. I love this new projector that I got. I'm sorry. I've been painting so many paintings on an old projector for a while, and I could have just spent a few dollars and got me a new projector, and I could have been painting these beautiful paintings all along. So you're going to hear this for maybe like the next week or two. So just deal with it. All right. All right. let's get into this right now. I'm just going to throw in like a light orange on the background, so that way I can just at least have some color there, but also that way we have tooth on the painting. We don't want it to be a plain white. We want some type of tooth that's on the painting, so that way it's easier for the paint to adhere to, right? Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do a little bit of green at the bottom here. Like, you see how we do that? It's kind of like a watercolor look. And the reason I do it like that is, like I said, the acrylic, once it dries, it's going to adhere to the paintings that we're going to do on top of it, like the layers. But also, it's not too serious like I'm painting on a plain white canvas. You know, we have something there that can be in the background, and we could fall back on it psychologically. All right, so now I'm just going to dry this off, and then I think on this one, I'm always going to start at the top. I always start at the background first. I started the furthest image first, which is the background, and then I build it up as soon as we get on there. Because that way, I'm dealing with acrylic, it builds on top of each other. Let's dry this off. And boom, there we go right there. Now I'm going to take my 1-inch brush out. Now, you know me. I always show up and I'm always excited about painting because this is the only time in my life that I get to make mistakes and nobody can tell me I'm wrong. Now, if you do come into the channel and you try to say something I'm wrong about, or you're being negative, then that just reflects more about you, and it shows how you are about art, but just even about life in general, because this is the only time where I'm saying I don't know all the answers. I'm being vulnerable that I don't have everything figured out. But you can see me being vulnerable in the moment, and you can see me where I'm excited to work. But that's not what I was about to say. I'm excited this week because this new projector is just so bright. It's so crazy. No wonder that everybody's doing well and they're making all these beautiful art inside the community. It's because you guys have a new projector. So you should have told me. I didn't know that. I didn't know that I was so far behind, and you were doing better than me. Unbelievable. Here I was really struggling out here, struggling with my images. But yeah, I love what I was just talking about, where this is the only time in my life that I could be wrong and not have all the answers and not feel like I'm some fraud or impersonator or I'm dumb. I mean, I honestly believe that all of us as humans, I think that we're all geniuses, I just think that you have to find your genius. What makes you a genius? I don't believe that one person's smarter than the other. I just think that we all learn different. And there's been times where I was in corporate America and I felt dumb. I hate feeling dumb. And I hate feeling dumb about things that don't even matter or things that you have no ownership over. So that's why I love doing art. It's so therapeutic for me because there's just been so many times in my life where it's like I feel dumb, but I know I'm not dumb. It's just that you can't make a tree into a flower, or you can't make a bear into a butterfly. Now, they're all geniuses in their own right. They all have their strengths, right? But imagine the whole life. It's kind of like that movie. You know what it makes me think of now that I said bear? It's like that movie Kung Fu Panda, right? Like, wasn't the premise the whole movie where he didn't know he was a bear or something, and he thought that he was I don't know, something else, but not a bear. And he didn't know that because he didn't know that was his strength or something like that. It's been years since I watched it. If I'm wrong, then I apologize. But you get what I'm saying? Like, I'm a believer in that. So even at times I would get people who message me and be like, I can't do that. And I would always stop them in their place and be like, you're phenomenal. I would always get these messages on eBay where people would be like, I love your artwork. I wish I could paint like that. I wish I could do this. Or people will even stop me. I wish I could do that. And I'll always stop people. And I go, whoa, whoa, whoa. You're a phenomenal person. You can do anything. The things that you can do, I can't do. You just have to find it and believe in it. But the thing is, we were all judged on the same metrics in life, the same. That's why I don't believe in IQ test. Because how can you judge people off the same metrics? You can't. Everybody's different. And those are just traps to make, those are traps usually to make people who are inferior or who have a complex feel like they're superior. And really, you're the genius, you're the smart one. And this is the only time that I get to show up and I don't have to pretend anymore. I don't have to pretend like I got all the data numbers from my job or that I understand what they're talking about. And then if not, I have to hide behind it and that's what I implore for you as well. That's really what the community is all about. Everybody in there, everybody's making beautiful art in your own way, and you have your own audience. One way is not the right way. This is an art school. What makes the community so powerful is that this is the first time that we're all not just coming together as artists. If we were all just coming together as artists, we could just go to a Facebook page, a Facebook art page, but it's better than that because we're not in the aspect of the mindset where we're just showing our art. It's more so we're human. And whatever pace that we're all at, it's at the right pace. Some people are able to do art faster and they're able to produce more numbers a day. Others aren't. Others are where they're at, but everybody is the same still, and we're all doing this together. If it doesn't make sense, then just click the link below. The community is free, and you can see for yourself what I'm talking about. It's something different. It's unlike anything else that's out there. It's a people that been told that they're not artists, or not even that they're not artists, but that you're inadequate with anything in your life. And we're not. We just learn at different pace, or we're just all different people. We're all human. And we're all doing great as long as we're together and we have the proper encouragement to say, hey, you know what? You're not a butterfly, or you're not a tree, or you're not a bear. You're actually a this, and this is what you are, and you're phenomenal at that. And then what happens that I see from everybody that's inside the community is that everybody starts becoming a butterfly and they start opening up. They're out of their cocoon, and then they start evolving, and then it shines what they're really great at. Because I can't tell you what you're great at. This isn't an art class. This is different. I never went to art school. I don't know what I'm doing. But what I'm showing outside of myself, for an example, is that you can do this. You can do anything. And how I use it as a tool is I use this beautiful new projector, all right? And it comes outside of me, anything that I want to create. And I'm not wrong, no matter what it is. I'm not wrong. And you'll never hear anybody inside the community say that, oh, well, actually, see, if we were in an art group or art class, you would have a lot of people go, actually, the sun comes from the east at 5 p.m. and it comes from, you didn't do it right how you drew just work on this better. And then what happens is you don't even want to do the work then. You don't even want to do it, because then it becomes art school. It becomes homework. And that's not what I got into this for. We don't have anyone who's like that inside the art community who's going to tell you that your art needs to be to the left and to the right and to the east and to the west. Everything that you do is phenomenal because it's already inside of us. We can't change the market. When I talk about I can't change the market with eBay, I'm also saying that I can't change the market within life. I can't change what God has in store for you, and I can't change what He has in store for me. I can show you the way within using the projector, within so many different avenues of that I've learned of the lessons of eBay and the algorithms and what to do and how to get your start going. I have a 14-day activity for you as soon as you join the community to get you going, so there's no guessing. But what happens after that is the beautiful part, is that you have your own journey, and your journey's not different. You'll never hear from me. Sometimes people come to me and they say, hey, what should I do about this art? Can I create this? Do you think this will sell? Do you think that will sell? And I say, I can't tell you that, because what you're asking me is, how do you not fail? How do you not get embarrassed? And I can't tell you that, because your journey is your journey. You just have to walk it and know that you're okay and that God is with you, but also that we are with you in the community. I mean, I sold over 17,000 original paintings on eBay alone. I sold more, or I sold other art as well outside of eBay, right? And I've made over $1 million. But at the same point, it gets to a point is not everything is about money. And it's hard for me to say that too, because you never know people's life situations. And I can't say that everything's not about money. I wish it wasn't, but that's the world that we live in, right? So of course it is. But at a certain point, God is also going to show you where your path, that you won't even have to think about that. You won't even have to, that won't even be a concern for you. It'll be something else. It'll lead you into a different avenue. All right, so that's like our marshlands right there. I'm just going to add a little bit of white into the water, and then that's it. Oh, this is beautiful. And we did this together. We did this in such a short period of time. And the reason I was able to do such a beautiful painting in such a short period of time is because now I have a new projector. I'm going to say this so many times. You left me out here looking embarrassed. I had an old projector, and I could have been creating all this beautiful art like you guys. Look at this. Huh? That's it. I can't have this be anything more or anything less than what it already is. So that's what it is. Look, this is our painting right here of our marshlands in Florida or Louisiana. Look at that beautiful painting. We just did this together. A lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Join us in the free eBay art community so you can see all the positive people that are in there. You can also just be involved. All right, it's free. I'll see you in there.